Hello and welcome to English and You, the channel that involves you, the viewer, as much as possible. If I asked you to run a marathon right now without any preparation, could you do it? Probably not. If I asked you to play the piano if you hadn't had any preparation, would that be possible? Definitely not. In English, when we are babies, we can't suddenly pronounce the TH sound, so how do we learn to do it? We copy our parents or our brothers and sisters and those people around us, or the television. So what I'm trying to say is that we need to practice and train. There are in fact two TH sounds in English, one of which we don't use our voice at all, just the sounds that we make in our mouth. We can find this sound in words like think, or three, path, or panther. The phonetic symbol for this sound is, and we pronounce it like this. Stick out your tongue a little and put it under your top teeth, like this. Close the bottom lip up to the underside of the tongue, and without letting any air escape from the side of your tongue, push the air forward. Now you can do this either through the gap in your teeth, if you have one, like here, or just under the teeth, like this. If you want to build your muscles, you have to go to the gym or work out. And the tongue is a muscle like any other and will only become strong if you train and practice. It will not be easy to suddenly start saying the TH sound, so we have to start slowly. Now try it with a vowel 5 times, slowly. Fa, 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 fa. Fi, 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 fi. Now the Viking god of thunder, Thor. Thor, Thor, Thor. Thor, Thor. Now, when we are polite, we say, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now with the TH at the end. Bath, 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 bath. And another. Tenth, 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 tenth. Now a little more difficult, the number 3. For this one, immediately after making the TH sound, you need to pull your tongue back quickly and roll it into the roof of your mouth, like this. Three, 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 three. Good. If you're having a little difficulty, go back to the beginning of the list and try again. Are you ready for the next list? Here goes. Third, third, think, think. 3, 3, thirsty, thirsty, thousand, thousand, thief, thief, 13, 13. Thank you. Thank you. Theatre. theatre, 30, 30, Thursday, Thursday, 9th, path, month, tooth, south, north, 10th, maths, mouth, 5th. For this one, you don't need to pronounce the F in the middle, so that it sounds like 5th. 12th. This is similar. You don't have to pronounce the F in the middle, so that it sounds like 12th. 5th. 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 12th. 12th, 12th. Nothing, nothing. Bathtub, bathtub. Toothpaste, toothpaste. Author, author. Athlete, athlete. South Africa, South Africa. Let's put a few words together. 3,000, 3,000. 33, 33. Thirsty panthers, thirsty panthers. Thank you, Thor. Thank you, Thor. A healthy thing, a healthy thing. 3 breaths, 3 breaths. Phew, that was a lot of work, wasn't it? Well, I've decided now to split this video into 2 parts, and in the second part I'm going to teach you how to pronounce the soft TH sound or the voiced TH sound. I'll put a link in the description below. Now, one of the things that I would like to do with this channel is actually get you, the viewer, to participate a little bit as well. To this end, I thought it would be nice to ask you to send me little clips of you pronouncing these words or expressions, or even something, a sentence that you made up by yourself. And then I can add it to the end of this video. And here's how you can help. Number 1. Record a short video with one or more of the words or sentences in this recording. You can even make up your own if you like. Number 2. Follow us on Instagram at EnglishandYou2 and send it to our account. Alternatively, you can visit the website and contact me through the contact page. 3. I will then select a few of them and add them to the end of this video. 4. I will add your channel address or username, if you like, to your clip. Now, the whole idea of this process is not only for you to learn something and perhaps teach something to somebody else, but is also to have a bit of fun. So don't take it too seriously. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to receive more of the same kind of thing, then please hit the subscribe button below. And if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will send you a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.